To buy on Uniswap using a Coinbase wallet, start by visiting the Uniswap website at app.uniswap.org. If you're unsure how to get there, you can navigate to the homepage and click on Launch App in the upper right corner. Once on the page, you'll see a swap menu and a Connect Wallet button, which you should click on. This will prompt you to choose a wallet to connect, and you can select Coinbase Wallet from the available options. If you don't have the Coinbase Wallet installed, you can either scan a QR code with your mobile app or install the browser extension. To install the extension, click on the Add Extension button, which will take you to the installation page. After installing the extension and selecting your Coinbase wallet, you can proceed to buy tokens on Uniswap by typing in the amount or token you wish to purchase. The process is relatively straightforward, similar to using other wallets. Once your Coinbase wallet is connected to Uniswap, you'll have the option to buy tokens. The entire process is simple and easy to follow, allowing you to start buying on Uniswap with your Coinbase wallet.